Today marks the beginning of a new chapter in our lives together, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds for us. I am honored to call you my wife, my partner, and my best friend. You bring so much joy, laughter, and love into my life, and I'm constantly amazed by your kindness, your intelligence, ooh, and your beauty, of course. Both inside and out. I promise to love you, cherish you, and support you through all of life's ups and downs. I promise to be your protector, your safe haven, and your constant companion. And most of all, I promise to always treat you with respect, admiration, and love that you deserve. Uy. As a token of my love and appreciation, I have a special gift for you on this special day. I hope it brings you as much joy as you bring me every day. I love you now and forever. Yours forever, Fahad.
Today, I take you as my wife and vow to love you for all eternity. I vow to be your partner in all things, to support you in your dreams and aspirations, and to work together with you to build a happy and fulfilling life together. I am so grateful to have you in my life, and I promise to spend every day making you feel loved and appreciated.
Hi, love. Hope you like my gift. You told me not to buy anything anymore, but you really deserve this. P.S. Please don't forget babe time, family time, and sexy time. See you later. I love you every second. Wifezilla. Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
To my love, first, I would like to thank you for giving me my dream beach wedding. It has been my dream since childhood, but more than that, I dream to be with someone who is so kind, loving, and faithful. Indeed, God made my dreams into reality. Alam mo naman na ikaw ang answered prayer ko. As I've said before, I prayed for a man na responsible at binigyan niya ako ni Lord ng lalaking may 3 trabaho. I prayed for a man na mamahalin yung anak ko more than me at binigyan ako ni Lord ng lalaking mas gusto ka nilang makasama kaysa sa akin.
Today, I stand before you in awe of the love we have created together and the family we're about to build. Iya, Lucas, and the child you're carrying at the moment, and the upcoming offsprings in the future. I promise to be your partner, confident, and most of all, your husband.
I prayed for a family-oriented man, and I am so proud to have a man who is so kind, and not only to me and my kids but also to my whole family. Parang mas mahal ka pa ng family ko kaysa sa akin, pero okay lang, it's fine.
I am so honored to call you my wife, and I promise to love and cherish you for all time. Let's build our future together as we enter a new chapter of our lives as husband and wife.
When life gets tough, I'm not scared since I know na you will do everything for our family and we will conquer everything together. After this day, we are as one. Fahad, it is with joy and pride to call you my husband, most especially the dada of our kids. I know we will be such a cool, funny, and of course great parents. To be your wife is an honor and I promise to love you forever. Until death do us part, my love.